Mahilig ba kayo sa banana cake pero lagi kayong nagigilty kasi feeling nyo unhealthy dahil sa harina or unhealthy fats yung mga ingredients? Well, I will share you healthier version ng banana cake recipe using air fryer. 6 medium size lakatan frozen. Mas sweet and flavorful ang frozen banana kasi nagiging sugar yung starch kaya mas rich and moist ang banana cake. 1 tablespoon avocado oil, pwede ring vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon ng honey pero naubusan ako kaya naglagay na lang ako ng 1 teaspoon brown sugar. 3 eggs, 1/2 cup milk. I use low-fat Arla milk. Combine nyo lang lahat ng wet ingredients, then slowly add the 2 cups of rolled oats na giniling ko kanina at the beginning of the video. 1/2 cup dark chocolate coated in flour para hindi lumubog at maging well-distributed sa cake yung chocolate. Yung pan ko, para-paraan na lang. Wala pa kasi akong nabibili na any baking pan. On top naman, add as much as chocolate as you like for the toppings. Next step, ilalagay na natin siya sa preheated air fryer. Preheat muna for 5 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. After that, bake na natin for 15 minutes at 165 degrees Celsius. Then for the last round, air fryer at 150 degrees Celsius for 7 minutes. Then i-rest nyo muna for 1 hour. Ubos nga agad ng mag-daddy, pati na rin ng mami. Banana cute.
Hindi na ako mag-bake. Banana cute.
It tastes like banana cue.